Hello students, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. TS Inter Board has clearly stated that if anyone fails in the first year examination which were conducted recently, they have to write the subject along with the second year in the coming April or May. Exams will be held in the last week of April or first week of May. Actually, they were supposed to be held in the month of March, but they have been rescheduled because we have lost so many working days as all the lecturers were involved in paper evaluation program for at least 25 days. 1 month program was disturbed because of the exams and paper evaluation. So paper evaluation is over and the coding process is going on. So results will be expected by the end of this month. Okay, so very soon we will be getting the inter results. If anyone fails in the first year, they have to write the subjects along with the second year exams in the coming April or May. If anyone wants to improve the first year scoring, also improvement exams, so many students are asking me, will improvements be there? Improvement exam means they have to write the subject along with the second year only. So in the April May exams only they have to write. Okay, separately they won't be conducted. So if we conducting the exams means again it's a hectic schedule. Again 1 month program will be disturbed. Already 1 month has been disturbed. That's why. So we don't want any more disturbance. So no more improvements now. If you want to write, you can write. You can improve the scores by writing the improvement exams along with the second year only. But it will be a hectic schedule for you. You have to write both first year and second year. It's better to concentrate on MSET or any other competitive exams, IIT, NEET. Better to concentrate on these competitive exams rather than IPE exams. Okay, so results will be expected very soon. They will be announced on 28th or 29th. So coding process is going on. It's a processing. Okay, post valuation program is going on now. So very soon, within another 3-4 days, we will be getting the results. So, okay, students, that's all for today. If any new updates are there, definitely I will get back to you. Thanks for watching my videos. We meet again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.